So my name's Mike Wheeler and I'm the EMEA Go-to-Market Director for Hybrid Cloud at Insight. Insight as an organisation is a global 500 organisation with offices worldwide. We have a large presence in America, EMEA and Asia Pacific. As an organisation, we've been in operation since the 1980s, I believe. I have to check that, but since the 1980s. And we're well known as an industry provider of IT solutions and services. What we're doing presently is, as we develop the organisation and we're growing forward, we're being very much more focused on our services capability and really focusing on the business outcomes of our customers to make sure that we have the right solutions that meet their requirements. Insight as an organisation has this great heritage of operational excellence and then be able to provide a very broad range of IT services and solutions to its customers in a very effective manner. For many of our organisations, that's how they like to work with us. They have that confidence that they can come to us and they'll get the best price and they'll get the greatest broad breadth of IT infrastructure components that they can utilise for their own services. For many organisations, as they themselves look to transform to new ways of adopting, introducing or evolving current services, they're looking at moving to the cloud. Now, that means that they're looking for improvements in their service level agreements or their operating level agreements. They're looking at driving costs down. They're looking at taking risk out. And what they really need is an organisation who has broad level experience in delivering those solutions. So what we need to do is we need to be to work in partnership with those customers to ask the questions in terms of what are you trying to do from a business outcome perspective? What are you trying to achieve? What does this service really need to deliver to you in an intangible asset in terms of cost saving or taking risk out or improving service? What does that mean? So what we've come up with is a process, and we call it the Discovery Workshop. The Discovery Workshop is a methodology whereby we work with our customers, and that may be at business level and IT level and procurement level, so the key stakeholders in their business, and we really do drill down to understand what they want as an outcome. Because we have these global strategic partnership with key IT providers, we are able then to map the business requirement, the IT requirement, the commercial procurement requirement of our customers with the right solution that will meet all of those expectations. And that's what the Discovery Workshop's there to do. So we map requirements to give them a very sustainable outcome for their IT services. Cloud's a 5-letter word, but it has a huge amount of impact in terms of what it actually means to our customers. So what we've experienced is that customers who have always bought, maybe if we take for example, data platforms, they've bought SANs, they've bought storage area networks, they've bought network attached storage, or they've got direct attached storage. So we're taking that cloud conversation and we're distilling it down into clear value propositions. So our key focus in the first half year is around data storage, backup and disaster recovery. If we look, I think I saw an industry analyst report that the growth in cloud-based storage is growing at about 28% compound annual growth rate year on year over the next 5 years. And a lot of that's driven by a number of business drivers. It might be metadata created by social media as people are tweeting more and putting more information on LinkedIn. But it's also as we start to move to more mobile-based applications that need cloud-based storage that can give us that anytime, anywhere access. And what we also then start to see is organisations that previously maybe not been able to avail themselves of a second data centre that they own due to commercial costs now have cloud-based disaster recovery. They don't need to buy a second data centre. Or if they have the high cost of a second data centre, maybe they can reduce that data centre footprint down and use cloud-based disaster recovery. Gives them great business continuity, which again they can relate back to business outcome in terms of service level agreement, operating level agreement, etc. So very much what we're focused on at the moment is data storage, backup and disaster recovery. As we continue through the year, we're starting to look at IT operations management, how we can introduce automation, how we can actually start them as if IT issues arrive, that we can look at proactive remediation of those issues, giving organisations better insights into the health of their IT services and to again improve efficiency and reduce risk.